All right, y'all, what's up? Happy Tuesday. It's after 5 my time, so I just got off work. About to chill and relax and see what these kids about to bug me with. you know. I also real quick wanted to make a real quick video just to show y'all some vendors of some Croc charms. I know a lot of y'all are in the Croc business, or you're in the charm business, or bracelet bangle business, whatever. I want to show y'all 5 trusted vendors that I personally shop with. I want to show you their Instagram and their contact information so you can start your business, or so you can browse, kind of see what the market is like, whatever. But I do want to provide that information real quick.
Everything I do it with a passion. If I gotta be a bitch, I'ma be a bad one.
Show y'all 5 vendors for Croc charms, bracelets, bangles. I'll show you someone who sells the patches, all of that. And yeah, just a quick gem that I want to drop. I think this year I'm gonna be about dropping gems, tips, and things like that. So stay tuned for more. All right, so this the first person I want to show y'all is Christine's Creations. As you can see, she sells different designer pieces. She sells the beads as well, and as you can see, she sells designer patches, the designer Crocs charms that you could put on the Crocs, the metal ones, different loose charms, cute designer things like that. And check her out again. That's Christine's Creations 81 on Insta. So the next one that we have is the Charm Dealer, and as you can see, she's based in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. She has very cute things like different anklets, different wholesale charms. As you can see, the bracelets that you put your charms on if you want to make a bracelet. She have all kind of bundle deals, all kind of good ways to save. She take 3 to 5 business days, $9 shipping. Next we have Charmed by Jay. It's a black-owned business established May of 2020, and as you can see, she has the same thing. She has different pre-made bangles. She show you some orders that she's done just to show you that she's legit. She has the beaded bracelets as well, different cute pre-made bracelets. She also has the charms for you that you need, all kind of cute stuff here. I like that one over there, that yellow pink one with the lollipop, the blue. I love that one, and I like that blue and gold one down there. Again, this is Charmed by Jay. Follow her on Insta. And this is a boss right here. This is Christine's Creations. She sells all kind of stuff. She's based in Atlanta, Georgia. She has like 3 or 4. She has a couple different businesses that she deal with, selling stuff. As you see, she got all kind of pre-made things as well. Y'all, she even hosts classes. She even hosts like these bangle boot camps where you can learn how to make bangles. She sell a lot of different kits that come pre-made with different items in it. And she's very active on social media. She always got good deals going on, and she got a lot of charms and pretty much anything you need for like that type of business. Again, this is Christine's Creations, so follow her. And the last but not least one is your girl, Creations by Key. That's me. And there I go right there looking cute. Y'all, I do all kind of things. I customize Crocs. And there's one of my happy customers, as you can see. I make them real pretty. I bling them out. I also have Croc charms for you. Different varieties, different styles. I have the card grabbers for if you ever wear long nails and you have a problem getting your card out of the ATM or the gas pump, whatever the case may be, I have the card grabbers. Here is some more different charms that I've had. Be sure to check out my website, y'all. All those links are in the descriptions and things like that. Here's some more of my glamorous work, my beautiful kids. Yeah, and like I say, I'm one of those people that you can get your charms from as well, and I have the link in my bio. All right, y'all, so that was it. Like I said, I just wanted to come by real quick to drop out some gems. I know a lot of people is into the Croc stuff. you know, into customizing their own shoes and starting their own business. So if you needed a little help, if you needed some vendors that you felt like you can trust, because we know these days people is scamming out the but yeah, those are some people that you could trust. I follow them, I've shopped with them, and they do good business. They have good stuff, they're always in stock. And even myself, y'all, I have good stuff. Like I said, I customize shoes, whatever. Just be sure to follow those people that I showed you, you know, just to stay in touch. And if you're not thinking about starting a Crocs, you might want to do bangles or cell phone cases, whatever the case may be. They have what you need. As always, you guys, if you want more gems like this, if you want to stay up to date with everything that's going on, you already know what to do. Hit that post notification bell, like and subscribe. Leave me a comment, say what's up. Even come holler at me on social media, and I do write back. And follow me. Until the next time, guys, peace out.